Almost up to the road. It's never been this high since we've been here. That's like a foot from hitting the road. Well, there's the driveway. That's craziness right there. All the way up on the bank way over there. And technically across the road here. I hope the bridge stays there. Okay, so it's been raining for like an eternity. And the bridge is flooded, which means I get a 1 mile hike home in the rain. But hey, some people gotta fight big city crowds, smuggers, all that kind of stuff. I just gotta deal with some rain walking through a field. Looking at deer, climbing fences. Oh. I'll take this over a big city any day. My companion on the walk home. Could be worse. Could have pink hair or trying to mug me or something like that. They're not too bad. So I've had a lot of people freak out when I tell them sometimes I have to do a 1 mile hike in. And it's through the middle of nowhere. Nearest neighbor's, I don't know, a couple miles away. But man, I tell you what. Check it out. If the clouds weren't there, you'd see some awesome mountain views. And it's kind of nice being alone and being quiet sometimes, even if you are getting drenched. If you don't live in the country, you should give it a try. Always glad to see a couple of things. Fancy Hill Farm sign and the house. Good to be home. I even get picked up. First class. The other side of the driveway. Water is never this high. That's crazy.